Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create bay window. So as example, you can draw walls with this strike exterior wall tools, and I will create for the perspective view, move to the right of the plan view. Now to create bay window, go to the window tools and then click bay window. Now you can select on walls to insert the bay window. So to be automatic attached, you can see in this 3D view. And to set for the dimensions, you can use the selection tools. And I will select these objects. Now we can use point to points to increase the size. And then move this window to the front here. Or you can double click in these points to move into the bay window specifications. Like I will set width into 2800 and click OK. The dimension will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial. How to bay window. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.